Hello, this is Joe from Joe's Tech Bits, here with another video for you. I'd like to show you today the Microsoft Store, which is basically an app store. You've probably seen app stores on other devices like phones, tablets. Linux has an app store. There's several different places you can see app stores. Microsoft has one that's installed when you install Windows by default, and I'll show you today how to access it and how to install an app from there. Now, if you go to the Start button and look in your list of apps, you can start typing in what you want to look for. I'll put in MI for Microsoft, and the store comes up right here. You can see that. But normally there's an icon on your taskbar for the store. So if you click that with left click, you'll see the store come up. And I'm not signed in on here. So you should be signed in with your Microsoft account if you want to download an app. So if I go here to sign in, I can go to sign in, and I'm already on here with my Microsoft sign-in account. But if I want to sign in with a different account, I can click this bottom and just sign in with another account. So you can see how you can do that. Now under sign in options, you can sign in with a security key, or if you forgot your username, you can go there. Now what I'll do is hit the next button. Oh. Since I do have a sign-in, I'll sign in with my regular sign-in. And of course I have to enter a password. So I'll do that, and then I'll come right back. Okay, I'm all signed in, and I can go look at some of the apps that are available. Now, if you want the apps, you can click on the apps icon here, and it'll give you a bunch of different categories of apps. And if we scroll down, you can also get Microsoft 365 from here. And there's some deals here, save up to 50%. If we scroll down, we'll see you got iTunes. And you'll see here, down at the bottom of the app, it'll tell you whether it's free or might be a price you need to pay to get to the app. Now, besides regular apps, here's one that is a movie app. It's $4.99. If we go down further, Adobe Photoshop Elements. It's like a light version of Photoshop. You can get that for $99. There's several different apps. Now if we go to another category, gaming, there's a bunch of games you can play on Windows. Now here's a game here, a dungeon game. Let's look and see what this looks like. If you just click on the game, you can get an idea of what the game is involving. Here's a description of the game. It'll show you the age rating. This is mature 17 plus. And if we go here, if you have Game Pass, which is on Xbox, it's included. But if you want to just buy it from the Xbox app, you can pay $40 for this game. So we can click the back arrow here and it'll take us back. This game is very good. Asphalt. I've had a lot of Asphalts through all the different versions and releases. I'm sure this Asphalt 9 is probably really good. As you can see here, it's owned, which means I've bought it at one point in time. Here's some more games. Oh, Among Us, Sea of Thieves. Minecraft is probably a very big game. Now if we go over back to here to movies and TV, you can actually buy movies from here, or I guess you can rent them too, but I think you actually have to buy them. Here's new movies. We'll see all. Doesn't look like any I would buy, but you never know. Again, you can click on the movie and you'll get a description of it. Screenshots of the movie, the cast, description of the story, and ratings on the movie. Of course, here's a 5-star rating, but only one person so far rating it. And here's more information. Let's go back to home. Now what I can show you is if you go up to the search box up here, you can search for different apps. How about Music Player? Now here's a bunch of music players you can install. As you see, I already have iTunes on here because it's owned, and I have Spotify. But let's pick one. This has a 3-star rating. We'll skip that. Here's one that has a 5-star rating with 2 reviewers. Let's see if there's a better one. Here's a good music player, and it's free, and it's got a 4+ rating, and there's 28 reviewers. So let's click on that. Now, in order to purchase an app on the Microsoft Store, you'll see there's a Get. So we click that. And it's downloading and installing. Now once it's installed, we can open it. And here it is. Now one thing I wanted to show you too, down here it says offers in app purchases. So a lot of these you get a free version and there's other features you can add, but it will cost you, you must pay usually for those extra features. Now if we go to games, like I said, there's a lot of games here. And if you already own one, you can just go here, click on this, and you can play a trailer. Oh, I guess that was, I owned that, but I never installed it on here. What I'd like to show you now is, once it's installed, if you go over to the Start button, and I believe that program was MEL, there it is. Here it is, and I can run it right from here, or if I'd like to put it in the Start menu, I just do that, and now it's added to the Start menu. If I do a search on Google on the Microsoft Store, I can also find that there is a website for the Microsoft Store. So if I click on that, it shows a lot of apps and things. And right here you can look at a whole bunch of streaming apps. Pluto, Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, and Hulu. Now, if you want to install one of these, oh, it also shows if there's a cost involved. Now, remember, these are free apps, but you may need a subscription to use them. Like Netflix is around $10 or $11 just for a single screen user per month. Tubi is free. I don't know if they have a pro version. And Pluto is definitely free. So let's see, if you wanted to install Pluto, you could click on that, and you'll get the same Get option that you would from the Microsoft Store. And if you click on Get, you have an option to open the Microsoft Store. And that will bring you right into the Microsoft Store. You can do a Get. And it's downloading and installing, and it's pretty quick. It's open and ready to view. And here's the Pluto TV app. And you can go on and watch movies for like the next 10 years. Probably they have a lot of movies. They also have live TV here, you can see. On Demand will give you a lot of the older movies, but they have some good movies, so it's probably worthwhile, and you can watch them right on your PC. Let's close this down. So for today, hopefully that was a quick video, quicker than my normal last couple. But I just wanted to show you, if you weren't familiar with the Microsoft Store, how to access it and how to download apps from there for gaming, TV apps, movies, and different utilities, music players, and anything else you might want to find out on there. For today, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like, thumbs up, right? or if you'd like to subscribe, please do that. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.